Hello team, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Technical Support. So here we are today going to explain how you can create a component. First, starting Lightning Web component. First, you need to know basic of HTML and CSS and JavaScript is mandatory. So because of that, here in Lightning Web having like three files: .html and .js file and configuration file. So here first we are explaining about how you can create a HTML file. Because of that lightning web component HTML is mandatory. So here first I am explaining basic of HTML. So here we have created one folder like learning lightning. So I am here our D drive having like a folder lightning learning lightning. So just you need to create like here click, then after that new folder is there, then after that you give the name and open this folder using a VS code. Here having the option open folder. So just while click on that, then after that you need to select new folder which you have means newly created, so you are able to see. But when we are talking about here in my scenario, I have already created one folder and selected it. So here first if you want to create index.html, we have already created, so no need to worry. I am explaining how you can create index.html file. So here having the icon right, just if you are scroll down here, so you are able to see new file. If you are our in right side, so you are able to see new folder. This one is the refresh explorer and this one is the like collapse folder in explorer. So here I want to create new file, so here we are clicking. So here you can create any like registration.html anything, give the name and .html extension is mandatory. So if you want to create html file, so just click on that, then it will create. Here we are entering, so it will create registration.html, but we have already created index.html, so this one is not mandatory. So here I am removing means deleting this. So here we are moving to this recycle bin. So we have already created. So if you want to create a script.js or style.css, so just click on that and type and give the extension name .js. If you are creating javascript file, so you need to give the .js file name. If you are creating css, so .css is mandatory. So here I want to explain one thing. uh, Means if you are suppose that creating html index.html, so here first you need to create doc type of html. Because of that we are using html5 newly, so here we are defining doc html and here head, then after that head, after that we have created title my first page, and after that here we have include our css file. First we are explaining only html, then after that I am explaining how you can include your css and javascript. So here if you want to comment any of the lines, so you can in keyboard control and slash, then it will comment it. This is the shortcut key of comment in VS code. So we have created the css file, now only html file we are able to see. Here we are created a script for source, so I also commented this one as well as. So here I have created, now we are able to see only html tags, right? So here we have included lightning as well as lightning class style sheet. So here this one also I am commenting. Now we have only div tag and paragraph tag, and after that if you are able to see the last one body and html coding tag is. So here you need to do one thing. For if you are means running in browsers, so here having the problem you need to refresh many times, but you need to install one extension. This is the live. live server. This one is required for live server. So you are in no need to means refresh to our web page. It will directly show the output. Here we have already installed, so you need to install that one as well as. So now once you here, if you are on, I have already installed, so here you are able to see the uninstall option. If you don't have installed, so you are able to see install. Just click on that, it will install. It will take couple of minutes, so it will install. So now we are coming our HTML. So here if you are click on index.html, so here we are not added more things, only we have created title parts and head is closing. Then after that body started. In div we have written only hello everyone. Div id, this one we are also commented, because of that no need these things I am explaining later. So here we have created only div hello everyone. So here just you click right click. Then after that you are able to see open with live server. You have also shortcut key alt plus l, alt plus o. So you can use either alt plus l, alt plus o. Otherwise you can right click on that index.html and open with live server. So it will not take more time. So here hello everyone. Suppose that if I am changing here, so first I do one thing. I can maximize and here and changing here. Suppose that I taking another due. After, if you are making any changes in your HTML file, so you need to just click Control S, means you need to save. Then after that, in your browser window, you are able to see. I am not refreshing here any of the pages, but you are able to see output. If you are changing in your HTML file, out will be outcome output your means display in your web browser directly. No need to refresh it. So if you are, suppose that here we are enabling paragraph. Just I am clicking Control S, then after that open the browser. So here you are able to see I am a paragraph. So what is the difference between div and paragraph? If you are using div and here you have written the content hello everyone and I am another div, so you are able to see and starting point hello everyone, then after that new line it is directly display I am another div. But when we are talking about here in paragraph type, so you are able to see before that it is giving the space I am paragraph, means here I am div another div and I am paragraph having one line gap. Then it is printing I am a paragraph, and you are able to see after that also it is giving the space. If you are able to see, I just copy again this paragraph tab and pasting it again. So what you are able to see paragraph 2. Here I am clicking on Control S using keyboard. So you are able to see it will giving again one line gap and printing I am paragraph 2. So you are able to understand what is the difference between div and paragraph type. So this is the basic. Now we are explaining how you can apply CSS in your div. First time explaining how you can apply CSS in div tab. Then after that we are proceeding with further. So here we have created style.css. So first here I can do only one thing. Just I am selecting. First we are explaining about div. Then after that we are explaining how you can apply three-way CSS. So First, we are only seeing how to you can apply in DuTech. So here you no need to specify anything. First, you need to define selector. Selector means here you need to define in your HTML page link rel style sheet equal to double quote. You need to define a style sheet. After that, href tag is there, right? So here you need to define explicitly like dot, after that slash, then style.css. This one you need to give the name of your css, and after that you are able to see. Before that, here if you are able to see, no any changes is there, right? It will show like default in black, but now you are able to see based on the css we have applied color red. So now I am saving this html file, control s, and you are able to see what is the here applied. So here we are first disable this one as well as paragraph and class. So what you are able to see, only div, these two div apply your css. Because of that, here you have defined selector, then after that property name, then after that value. This is the property, and this is the your value, and this is the your selector, right? Now this is the like you have applied css on Twitter. Now I am talking about how you can apply css in paragraph. So here we can do one thing. So here I can do one thing. So here before that, how we can apply the css means here before that we have used only div, right? Now we are using id. We have defined id. Suppose that here we have taken id username, right? So I am changing the id using id. This is we have taken as a id, and I am another div. Now we are commenting this one, it is not required. So I am taking another example using id, how you can apply the css. So I am copying this id and coming here in style.css. Then after that, if you are using id, so here what you need to using has element id. If you are hover in username, so you are able to see element id equal to username, but here I am changing the id and paste here as using id. So we have pasted, and here we have taken font size. We are here changing like font size 10, color blue, before that is there. Now we are taking as a green and hit enter. So you are able to see here we have click on control s. You need to save. If you are performing any changes, just using control and yes, control plus yes key is mandatory. So you are able to see, otherwise you can directly here go and control yes option is there, save. So here we have div id using id, right? So here also we are control yes means up html file already means we have saved. So now we are going to browser. You are able to see I am another div. We have changes right in css green. If you want to apply any other color like orange and control s, so you are able to see I am another div is changing. If you are apply any other color, purple, so you are able to see it is giving purple. So here we have seen before that how you can take using selector means div tab, how you can apply the css, using id how you can apply. Now we are proceeding with how you can apply using class. We can apply three-way css, so we are explaining both means three-way. So now we are going here and we are changing here in paragraph. We are apply using class. Before that I have seen id, right? Now we are using class, we can apply the css. So here we are giving the name using class. Using class, how you can class a space separated list of the classes of the element. Classes allow css and javascript to select and access specify element via class selector. This is the class selector, are functions like the method documented element by class name. So here using class we are going proceeding. First we need to copy using class, go to your css file, and here if you want to access using class, so here you need to, before that we have defined the hash, but now we need to dot. Using dot we are able to use our class name using class, and here border 8px solid green. So here I am changing solid blue, and here we are giving the border pixel 10px and control s. Then after that here we need to go and save the html file as well as. Then you are able to see I am a paragraph. Now I'm changing green, so I am able to see. Because of that we have taken another color, so it is not visible, so I am taking as a green, so it is visible. Otherwise you can change it green to red. And control yes, so you are able to see I am a paragraph. So we have seen three way how you can apply css in your html file. So this is the live example you can do by using VS Code ID. You need to do only one thing. You need to install extension live server. Then after that you need to create your D drive, E drive one folder. Suppose that this one. And after that you need to call means open folder in your VS Code using file. Then after that open folder. Then how you can create, I already explained here, new file, then you are able to create here, right? So just you go there and do practice. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel IT Technical Support. uh, we are uploading new video for learning lightning web component. First we are uploading basic video how you can create a html file and how you can apply the css. Then after that we see in our next video how you can apply the javascript in your html. Yeah, I am uploading our new video javascript uh, in next video, so you are able to see how you can apply. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel IT Technical Support. Please like and subscribe my channel, so when we are uploading new video, so you get notification. Thank you. Bye.